Hello guys, this is Muhammad from How to BC. Today I'll walk you through how to change the weather location. The step is very easy. You go to search field and type weather. You will find here, double click on it. You will see that open the weather app. See our location is which can. You go to setting here in the top right corner and you need to default location. Uh, You can type anything. We type New York because I like New York. Click on it. When I'll go back to home icon, you'll see we have. Let's change to New York because I like New York. New York, New York here. Click it. We found to New York. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.